Hello, good morning. Rayleigh lines are observed due to the collision between photon and molecules of sample. Elastic collision, inelastic collision, sometimes elastic, sometimes inelastic, all this is the elastic collision. Rayleigh scattering and Rayleigh lines observed in a spectrum occurs when light photons interacts with molecules and is scattered without change in the energy. This means that photon retains in its original energy, frequency, or wavelength. Such interaction is called elastic scattering. Photon retains its original energy. Such interaction is called an elastic collision. In contrast, Raman scattering involves inelastic collisions, where the scattered photons has a different energy than the incident one, leading to Stokes and anti-Stokes lines. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That is now. Bye-bye.